Stop sign. Right, it's a stop, it's on the wrong side of the road. You're on the opposite side of the road. Yeah. No, there. Yeah, I have a stop sign. No, come on. I have a stop sign. Come on. Yeah, well, come on, just go. I have a stop sign. You can't cut the corner anyway.
It's okay.
Yeah, yeah. What are you doing? Put some lights on! Lights! Lights, yeah! Maybe we'll talk to him, but he'll talk to the